Hey guys, it's Pimmy. Today we're going to be reviewing this new amazing product that I got from Amazon. Guys, I'm super excited because this is a smart car fragrance and it's finally here. So I basically wanted to open it up today, show you guys what it looks like. We'll set it up and at the end we'll close it out with our honest review. But let's go ahead and get started with opening it up for the first time to see what it looks like. Alright guys, and everything is packaged beautifully. Okay, so we get a few things. So we get our accessory box, and that basically has our charging cable as well as a user manual. Okay, so this is our user manual, and then we also have a USB-C charging cable, USB-C to USB. Okay, and then we also get the cologne. This one is the Pure Cologne. We also get the device itself. Guys, this looks so cool. To charge the device, the USB-C port is there, and then we also have a USB port. But to actually insert the perfume, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the bottom, and then we're going to take our cologne, and we're going to screw it right into the bottom. We're going to make sure that it's tight so that there's no leakage. And then we can screw this bottom part right back in. On button here, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold it down. And that's going to turn it on just like that. How cool is that, guys? I'm super excited. And we do have some information here regarding the modes. So we do have a smart mode. The smart mode is going to spray for 2 seconds for the first time, and then spray once every 1 minute for the first 5 minutes. 0.5 seconds each time, and then after 5 minutes the device sprays once every 5 minutes, and then 0.5 seconds each time. If there's no vibration with the car within 7 minutes, it will automatically enter standby mode. So that's the smart mode. And then 2 is going to be the light mode. So light mode, it sprays every 2 seconds and then sprays once every 7 minutes. 0.5 seconds each time. The device will automatically shut down after working for 4 hours. This mode cannot auto start with car vibration. You need to touch the switch or connect charging cable manually to start again. And then last we have the strong mode. So it sprays for 2 seconds and sprays once every 3 minutes for 0.5 seconds each time. The device will automatically shut down after working for 4 hours. This mode cannot auto start with the car vibration, so you need to touch the switch or connect to a charging cable manually to start it again. So if you want to use it with like the car vibration, that would be on smart mode. So once it feels that the car vibrates, it'll start up again. But guys, my first impression, just smelling it, it smells so good. It smells like cologne, but it smells like a fresh car. And it's not something that's overwhelming. That was something that I was worried about. I was like, I hope that it's not too like overwhelming, because whenever you're in a car in a closed space, if you have an overwhelming smell, it can get uncomfortable. So I'm not getting that at all. And I just like love the overall just design of the product. It looks very sleek, very modern. And I'm super excited to actually put it to use. This is something that can fit in your car holder, your cup holder. So let's go ahead and actually put it to use, and then at the end we'll come back and we'll close it out with our honest review. But as of right now, guys, I am highly impressed with this device. It looks good, it feels good, it smells good. Let's go put it to use and we'll come back. Alright guys, and just coming back to close out my review, I absolutely love this device so much. This smart car fragrance is amazing. I'm so glad that I went for it. It's definitely something that's going to elevate the car experience. My husband loves it, I love it, and I can't wait to use it for years to come. This is the perfect product, whether you're getting it for yourself or maybe for a family or friend as a gift. I really hope that you guys are able to enjoy it as well. I know that the brand has other scents, so definitely get the scent that best suits your needs, but I hope that you guys are able to enjoy it, and I hope they have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!